Hi there, Nandini here welcoming you to Craftangles. I have a great little project for you today. February is celebrated as the month of love. And what better gift for your loved one than a mini album perfect for cute notes and pictures. This mini album is surprisingly easy and quick to put together if you use the Craftangles Elements packs and some basic supplies. So let's get started. Today I am using the Be My Valentine element pack by Craftangles. Each element pack has 3 A4 size sheets. The specialty paper is 300 GSM thick with very high quality printing. As the name suggests, this pack has love and Valentine's themed designs. I chose this pack as I felt that the scale of the designs made them very suitable for a mini album. To create the mini album, take a piece of blue cardstock that measures 12 inches by 12 inches. To begin, push the cutting blade to the top. Score the paper at 3 inches, 6 inches and 9 inches. Turn the paper 90 degrees and score again at 3 inches, 6 inches and 9 inches. This will give you an album measuring 3 inches by 3 inches. Do not fold the paper at this stage. I made that mistake and had difficulty aligning my pages later. Choose any one score line and mark the 3-inch point from the left. Mark the 9-inch point on the next score line and the 3-inch point again on the last score line. Insert the paper in the cutter and cut up to the mark on the first and third lines. Now turn the paper 180 degrees and cut up to the 1/3 mark again. This is all the cutting that we need to do in this mini album. Start folding the sections into alternate valley and mountain folds to get accordion style folds. I am using a small piece of washi tape to mark the top of my album. Leave the first section. This is the cover page. To create the first pocket, apply a thin line of glue to the side and bottom and glue the two sections together. For the next page, I want a pocket that opens on the side. Keep alternating the top and side opening pockets till you reach the last page. I ended up with 7 pockets into which I plan on tucking small colorful tags. Let the glue dry completely before moving on to the next step. Once the album is dry, trim off any untidy ends and remove the washi tape. We are now ready to decorate our album. I will fussy cut a selection of designs from the elements pack so that I have plenty of choice. The unused ones will stay in a bag to be used on a different project. I have 7 colorful tags as well as plenty of die cuts and fussy cut designs. I raided my stash of paper scraps for the colorful papers. This is the most fun part of the album. There is no right or wrong way here. I simply start by picking up random pieces and playing around with them till I am happy with the look. I always prefer to use liquid glue as it gives me some wiggle room. I will just continue arranging the pages and sticking the elements down till my album is complete. I can always go back and add more elements or die cuts if I feel something is missing. Now that the album is complete, I will just flip through all the pages. The white spaces can be used to write little notes or stick some pictures. The tags can also be used for notes or pictures. You can further embellish this album by adding tiny die cuts, enamel dots, sequins, paint. You can also use your stencils, stamps, etc. I hope you enjoyed this video and will give this cute little tutorial a try. I used a plain sheet of paper and some pre-printed elements. You can also use your stencils, stamps, dies, etc. along with pattern papers, watercolors and specialty papers. Since the scale is small, these albums can also be great stash busters. Have you made mini albums before? Do you have any favorite tips or tricks? Please do share in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon before you go. Take care now and see you soon. Bye.